WhatsApp has good news to share with its Android users. The Facebook-owned instant messaging app has rolled out a native dark mode to the beta app. Let us see the benefits of using dark theme on phones. The dark theme mode is designed to make it easier to view messages in low light conditions. Therefore, it is good for eyes, especially at night when you are scrolling the phone for reading long text messages. It also helps to save battery life of the phones, especially phones that have AMOLED screens. OLED displays do not shine their pixels when displaying color black, which in turn preserves the battery life. If you like this dark mode theme by WhatsApp, then click the like button below. WhatsApp dark mode is finally available for Android. Here is how to enable it. First, download the latest WhatsApp beta update from Play Store. Now open the WhatsApp and tap on 3 dots menu icon at the top right corner and select settings from the menu. Now on the settings page, tap on chats and then tap on themes. This will open a window where you can choose the theme of your choice. The first one is Set by Battery Saver or System Default Theme. Set by Battery Saver option automatically switches between light and dark themes according to your battery saver settings. As you can see, I am enabling the battery saver mode. As soon as I enable the battery saver mode, WhatsApp user interface automatically switches to dark theme. When I turn off the battery saver mode, then it automatically switches to light color theme. The second option is light. If you click on this option, then it will always display WhatsApp user interface in light color theme, even if you enable the battery saver mode. The third option is dark theme. If you choose this option, then it will always display WhatsApp user interface in dark color theme, even if you turn off the battery saver mode. After enabling the dark mode, the home screen and the settings menu become dark in color. Similarly, in the chat interface, the chat bubbles and background appear in dark theme. Apart from good low light visibility, this dark mode will also help you save battery life. So this was the quick introduction of the dark mode theme by WhatsApp. If you like this video, then consider subscribing to our YouTube channel for future updates about useful videos. I hope this video was helpful to you, so share this video with friends.